can say indeed that the title does say how to make pasta chips. Do we need to smash these today, you think?
No.
But we are going to anyway.
At the Love Shack, baby, yeah.
Vegetable oil for frying. Canola oil. We have garlic powder. Italian seasoning. Do we need dillweed? Black pepper. Salt, pepper, and we need Italian seasoning. Plug the merch. Came out like...
You could resell that, you know? Like, you could sell that.
I'll sell it to one of you guys. Starting bid, $50. No, I could sell it to one of my fans, have them pay me through, Venmo me the money. It's a medium shirt, worn by ZaCrazy himself. And it was the first ever made and the only ever made. It was handmade. I cut out every image in Photoshop and put it in. Oh, he's gonna break something.
What the hell are you doing? Stop that shit.
We don't need it. We don't.
I need it.
We don't speak about SpongeBob in this household. Why does rotted milk smell so bad? So what happens when a cow dies? What does it smell like? We don't smell like that after we eat a cow. Eating waffles with a spoon. My favorite. Ah! The mail is here. In a 16-inch skillet. It's only 10 and a half! What did it say 16? So the 1 year anniversary of my cracked phone is coming up very shortly. You know how upsetting that is? I'm not fat, I'm fluffy.
Pasta chips. Aha! Open.
Right, we put the pasta in here, we're cooking it for 8 minutes. We set out the parchment paper with the bowl so we can put them in after. We got some Parmesan cheese. It's gone! World's first canola oil flip was a miss. Second one was a mate. I would have burnt my hand. Ah! I burnt my hand! At night.
Ow! I burned my hand! At night.
Bottle flip montage 6. It will come. How's that? Somebody is hiding the Thin Mints on me and didn't tell me. Oh, now I gotta add more. I made it special.
I made it special.
Is this hot oil yet? Ah!
I burned my hand!
At night. That's not
Oh, we
oil.
just want to add oils.
Well, it says oil.
This was awful. No, this was absolutely awful.
We have an oil blend. Should we have a pot of water on standby?
If you start a fire, you don't put water on oil. That makes it worse.
Oh yeah, it does. You need milk, right? Yeah! Well, we'll come back once we take them off.
Once these are all done.
What do you think of this?
Should
Oh,
be
you finessed that.
It should be pretty good.
Here, spice them up, spice them up. Spice them up.
Don't do that. Don't do that, man.
Ah! Flipping! I almost swore. That's how you spice things up, my guy. All 5 at the same time. Oh! That's okay. That'll work. Need more oregano.
Nice job.
So let's eat it. Don't you dare eat it yet. Wait. We'll try it at the same time.
I'm trying to mix it up a little much. You put so much.
3, 2, 1. They're edible.
Yeah. Some of them are a little bit crispier than the others.
So what would you rate them?
11 out of 3.
He doesn't give many things an 11 out of 3. But when he does, it means it's good.
Is that a black one? Is that a crispy one? Some of them cook a little bit more than the others.
Are they good? What would you rate it?
7.
Out of what? Gosh darn it.
I'd basically cook
He's such a loser. We gotta run out, smash these, come back, get those, smash those, and we're done. Here we go! Oh!
Oh my god!
Oh! Ow! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Eat, eat, eat.
That didn't smash.